Len Schrock coming to you again with another video. So for here from Grabill Hardware, wanted to talk to you about Diablo. This is a line of product that we just got into last year. So Diablo is a quality product line for tools, for power tools, and they just are in the accessories line. So they don't have any power tools, they don't make any power tools, they're just make the accessories that go onto your power tools, and they do it at a very good high quality. One of the products that we want to talk to you about today is Sandnet. Sandnet is a clog reducing net designed for less dust buildup and up to 10 times longer sanding life. It has a premium ceramic grain blend for fast material removal and extra long sanding life. Sandnet comes in sheets. It also comes for the Black & Decker mouse. It also has for hand sanding, as well as designed for oscillating sanders. Right now what we're going to do is we're going to demonstrate how Sandnet actually works compared to other sandpaper. All right, now we're at the demonstration area. Here's what we're going to do as far as in demonstrating the Sandnet product versus another product, just normal sandpaper. We have a chalkboard here. So, and the one nice thing about the chalkboard is it can basically show the difference between the two sandpaper versus the Sandnet. So anyway, so the first thing I have here is just an 80 grit sandpaper here that we're going to use with this hand sander, and then we're just going to stick this to it. And the next thing we're going to do is this is the Diablo hand sander, where we're going to stick the Sandnet onto it. One of the advantages, like we said before, is the fact that Sandnet, we can actually take it out. It's clog free. You can actually wring it out and take out the dust, put it back on to the pad, and keep using it. So let's start with the demonstration. First of all, I think what we're going to do is we're going to go 100 times with this particular one, and then 100 times with this one. So, and you're going to see over the time how much more this can do versus this one. So, all right, here we go. All right, after that tiring workout right there, so I'm going to do 100 times now with the Diablo one. Now we're going to do 100 times with the Diablo one. Now after 100 times, probably see the difference here as far as that goes. There's really not a whole lot of difference as far as that goes, but you can see the difference in the netting and the sandpaper. So where the sandpaper, look, it's getting clogged up by the resin. This one I can take out, shake it out, reattach it, and it'll continue to sand as well. All right, we're going to go another 100 times with the regular sandpaper. So, now another 100 times with the Diablo one. Even after 200 times, still is looking pretty much the same. So as far as with it, we're going to keep going to 300 and on up. So, okay. All right, this will get us to 400. More with Diablo.
So Len got tired and he went to go take a nap, so I'm gonna be doing the next 200, 100 with the Diablo, and then another 100 with the regular.
All right, I'm back after my nap, so let's get started again. All right, well, we've gotten this pretty well clean actually with both sides, amazingly enough. So both of them have held up pretty well. But the biggest difference that you're seeing here, look at the sand net. Look at how clean this is compared to this one here, which has a lot more of the debris that actually is starting to clog up this particular sandpaper. So this is eventually going to go bad here soon, and you're going to have to throw it out. This one though is going to be able to keep on going a lot longer. So yeah, if you notice, yeah, you can notice some of the clogging in there with the fine dust particles from the chalkboard. So anyway, I need another drink of water, so this is this video from Grabill Hardware. So come back, try Sandnet, and on your next furniture wood project that you have, and we'll see you in the next video.